Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Best Life and Beyond. We're back at Disneyland. We're home.
Yay! we made it home.
Yes.
We're excited. So we're basically just gonna check out the park and just be home and be happy, see what's changed. Just enjoy our evening here. Now we're really lucky though.
Yeah, train. The train said welcome back, Katie.
We're so lucky though because I believe it's a Saturday night, which means weather permitting, we should get fireworks tonight. So we're pretty happy about that. We also have the monorail running. I don't
literally just saw it go by just now.
I don't know for sure if we're gonna be able to get on it because it does close a little bit earlier, but we're gonna do our best. If not, you know we're gonna be back here. We've got a couple of reservations booked, so let's get in there and go have some fun.
Let's do it. Oh, it's so good to walk back through this tunnel. We're leaving today, entering the world of yesterday, tomorrow, and fantasy. I'm here for it.
I'm so happy to be home.
Feels good, right?
It really does.
I knew it. I was really excited today.
Me too.
I was
excited. I was a little worried when we woke up and it was raining, but oh, there's nothing like your little home. I could cry right now. One whole month without it.
Dapper dance. Cadaver dance.
It's our town, everybody scream, in this town of Halloween.
Some dates.
Wait a minute! What is going on? Charlie!
What? Oh
Missed
my
you, bro.
God, the gang's back together, man.
Yeah! Dude!
That made me so happy.
I heard his voice. I was filming that way, and all of a sudden I turn around. Pixar's in the house.
Yes, I thought I'd surprise you guys.
Dude, it's so good to see
I
you.
got the text this morning, and after the text, I moved some things, canceled a reservation, picked it up, and here I am.
Okay, now it's on.
Now it's on.
Party time.
We can do this.
Yeah! A little bit of crowd today here at Disneyland. Well, it is the weekend. Oh my gosh, look at the castles lit up right now. Oh man, we gotta get down there. It's got some snow on the top of the roofs too, I'm noticing. So I can't tell you how amazing it is to be back here. And then to have Charlie roll up on the set like that. like
Totally
it was
by
planned.
surprise.
You couldn't have cued that better. I couldn't have planned it better myself. So amazing.
I wish I was filming you guys on my phone because your jaws just dropped.
The reaction, you guys. I tried to film it as quick as I could, which I think I kind of got it, but man.
It's good to be back. It's good to have you guys back.
Dude, now we're cruising down Main Street.
I mean, it was so, but the whole month, like what was it, about a month and a half?
Oh, a solid month. Solid month, yeah.
It was like, man, what am I gonna do? I worked.
You worked. Yeah. We did too.
Yeah,
a little
you
bit.
did.
Yeah, we enjoyed and worked. It was a combination, but
I got a couple of the views of your work.
there you go.
The videos.
Good. As you should.
Yes, as I should.
I expect thumbs up on those videos.
Always. I always give it 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up and a toe.
But man, I'm excited to see this castle with a little bit of snow and icicles.
And the
What the
snow
heck?
has already fallen.
It already has fallen, and in the Sierras as well.
Yes, yeah. We're gonna get
So it's
some this
appropriate
weekend.
that we got a little bit.
But the lighting on the castle right now, it's at that magical hour.
It's
even
primo.
on wall. It's reflecting off the wall a little bit.
That's right. And we've also got what I call the alpenglow over the Matterhorn right now. Look at that. Astro Orbiter getting lit up. It's that time of day at magic hour. It's pretty amazing. Oh yeah. What's up, Walt? Missed the West Coast partners. But this castle right now, we got to get close to the castle here. We got to go around because I've already roped it off for fireworks. Got to go around, yeah. Good lighting on Astro Orbiter as we saw earlier. Look at that. Oh, you're back in front of your castle.
I am. It's my little home. I'm so happy. And it's cool because every time around this time of year, like I always look back on my memories and whatnot, and I always remember the castle. You know, it's always got the snow.
Yep.
It always is about this time of year. two
Yeah.
holidays are literally colliding.
Well, it's cool because it's timed out with the actual natural snow that we had in this Sierra Nevada, so
There you go.
It totally
works
works.
out. It works.
we've also got some icicles coming off the roof line over there on the side of the castle. Some very impressive icicles. It's happening.
I'm so happy to be here.
But I think there was talk of getting a monorail app in before it closes.
We're gonna try. I do know it closes early, and hopefully it's like it used to be where it's a round trip, so.
I think from inside the park we can do a roundy. When you board from downtown Disney, I believe you have to get off at Tomorrowland, but we're going for a roundy.
Let's hope
So
it
wish
works.
us luck. The icy slopes of the Matterhorn. I imagine this time of day it's getting a little bit icy up there. Sun's going down. Yeah, it's freezing up.
It'll be nice to see the monorail.
Oh, that's right. We already saw it kind of when we were coming in, walking in, and I freaked out.
Dude, I did too.
Totally
Had a
freaked
little
out.
bit of a hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
You and Charlie are matching tonight, by the way.
Well, we both got the memo.
Yeah, look at this.
Represent
Yeah, you guys are totally matching.
the pumpkin
I gotta
crew.
get the ears, I guess. Or
I
she's
guess I
gotta
just
get it.
wasn't
Yeah.
notified about this. All right.
No,
Thanks, Charlie.
Pumpkin
you were
crew.
busy, so we just let it go.
We just did. We handed it.
You didn't get the memo.
Sorry.
Charlie pointed out the fact that the sun is setting through the matter tree, or what else is it called?
Adam says tree horn.
The tree horn or the matter tree, yeah. To kind of fix the sight line from New Orleans Square, that you can't see the Matterhorn, but look at that sun setting. All right, we got to get to the monorail. Let's go.
So how does it make you feel to know that the monorail still has the Mickey's 90th? Or the wrap still on it?
Yeah, it's
I wanna
kinda
say,
weird.
Was it for Mickey's 90th?
It was, yeah,
Are you sure?
yeah,
It all seems a bit foggy right now.
yeah. But I mean,
I kind of wish they came back like unwrapped. Although it is fun and it does add a fun quirkiness.
yeah.
I did kind of have hopes that maybe it wouldn't be wrapped. But this is not me complaining because,
No,
hey,
no.
I got a monorail back. I am happy.
Exactly. Oh, look, there it is. Monorail Blue. Monorail Blue. Wow, this is legendary for us. It has been so long. Oh, yeah. I've never been so pumped to ride the monorail. I just heard the horn. Hopefully, there's one more that does a final lap. Monorail Red hopefully comes around. I'll tell you. We ride a lot of monorails in Walt Disney World, but ours is pretty special. Look, there it goes. Is that red or is that blue? No, that's red. There it is, yeah.
Stand right here. Like,
Yeah.
this feels really weird.
Yeah,
It's been like almost 2 years, right? Like,
for us, yeah.
Because we do have a low clearance.
Oh, yeah.
And make sure you
What's
guys
up,
are
Red?
wearing your mask throughout the whole duration of the monorail.
Wow. It's good to see her back. Well, we've been riding a lot of monorails lately, but not these. Not the Disneyland versions. All right, we're gonna let Red go. It was really crowded, so we're gonna wait for Blue to come back around. I won't be the first ones on because we just found out they're open till 7 tonight, so good on you there. We'll patiently wait for Monorail Blue to make its way back over here and we'll jump on there. Oh yeah, here comes Blue. What's up, Blue? Oh yeah.
Come on in, lower your head, watch
Oh yeah.
Going to the back, sir?
yeah.
Thank you, sir.
No problem.
We're back on the rail. Oh, hey. Charlie rail.
Right, there we go. There we go.
It's so crazy because it feels so much smaller after being in like the Walt Disney World ones for so long.
That's true.
But it's so nice. Like, I'm happy to be on. It's so weird. It's been like 2 years.
Yeah, because even their sitting is different.
Yeah, their seating is like.
They face each other.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. I rode a couple of them over there when I was
We
there.
used to
have that model here.
Yeah,
You gotta
But it
do
was
the
a-
Epcot one next.
yeah, that'd be blast.
So cool.
That's the one that does the loop.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right around Station Park.
Headed out to Harbor Boulevard. Dude, we're back on the monorail. This is crazy.
There goes Tomorrowland.
There goes Tomorrowland, yeah.
That was a good trip, huh?
That was it. There you go.
Oh, okay, we're moving again. Autopia, look at the cars fly by.
Look at the sunset.
The old people People Mover track.
That's beautiful.
Here we go. Over the railroad. Out on the harbor.
Hey!
Now we're in public, Charlie. Watch your P's and Q's.
All right, I'll behave. I'll behave, I swear. Only for a little bit. Oh, look at the sunset behind Space Mountain.
Look, you mean Space Mountain?
Oh yeah, beautiful sunset tonight. Good timing on this little ride here.
Oh, I miss hearing that.
So cool.
Man, did I miss this. CDA.
Whatever.
Oh, there's Alexandra.
Going through DCA. Going by Soarin' Building. There's Soarin'.
Dun dun.
And Grand California. Going through the tunnel into Grand.
To the downtown Disney District and the Disneyland Resort Hotel. If you will be leaving
Oh yeah, Lego store.
Lego Beast.
Oh yeah, there's Lego Beast. Lego Beast. He heard me. I can smell Starbucks, you guys.
Can you?
Yeah, I can smell Starbucks.
Never doing around here.
Oh yeah.
The old Disneyland hotel stop, aka downtown Disney. Please stay clear of the doors.
They don't do that here, Spencer.
Yeah, they're not as violent here.
Violent.
Well, they're very aggressive. They're double doors, to be fair.
Definitely very different.
And I'm sorry, but I prefer the old design myself.
Yeah, me too.
I think it's a Mark 5 or something like that, Mark 4.
Not sure what it is.
This is like a Mark 7, I believe. Don't quote me on that, but all right, we're leaving the station.
I love it.
Here we go.
welcome aboard the Disneyland Monorail. For your safety, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the cabin. Watch your children, and no smoking, please.
Yeah, that sunset's amazing. Tortilla Joe's. Man, I could eat that right now.
Tortilla.
Oh yeah. Okay. Oh, that was so good.
That was amazing.
Such a welcome back. Something I could say we kind of took for granted a little bit, especially when you're Walt Disney World and there's like 25 of those things. I don't know the exact number, but there's a few of them. All right, we stopped by Galactic Grill in Tomorrowland. We just stepped off the monorail and got ourselves into some salads
Yes.
because we are
Coming off of our Walt Disney World Disney World binging bad stuff.
Food fiesta.
So yeah, we're just having our nice little salads.
These are good though. These are like
they're delicious.
What is
Mine's
it?
all mixed up.
Is it?
It's a chopped salad. It's similar to like a Cobb, but without egg.
Yeah.
It's got feta, red peppers, tomatoes, onions, cucumbers, and chicken.
Because feta
Makes
is
it
better.
better.
That's right, Katie.
Ain't that true?
That's right. Charlie, what'd you get over there?
I got pulled pork.
Pulled pork.
Pulled pork.
Pulled pork?
Pork.
Oh, pork.
Pulled pork.
Okay.
Pork.
Got it. Because
On
pork,
fries.
we're not in Galaxy's Edge. Otherwise
no.
it'd be pulled pork. Got it. Henry, Burrito Henry?
No, we got a vegetable wrap.
Oh, vegetable wrap. Okay, that's commendable. All right, digging into this salad. It's super good. I'm actually really starving.
I'm really hungry too. This is delicious. I used to eat this salad all the time. It was so nice to go on that monorail.
Oh yeah.
That literally, it's like nostalgia.
All right, so food was great.
Very good.
Salads. We're on a diet. That's just how it's going to be.
Salad life and beyond.
Katie's on me. I can't eat a fry. I can't eat anything. So
Although I did eat a French fry.
now I
Well,
find out. Yeah, thanks. There's nothing left now. All right, that's good to know.
I
Good to
just
know.
wanted one fry.
No. Dead to me. So the wait times are kind of long. I saw that Casey Jr. was 10 minutes, so maybe we'll just go.
I love a good night ride on Casey Jr. It's really nice, especially with the lights and everything.
A la board!
A la mort!
A la board! We picked up some stragglers. You guys want to Casey Jr. with us?
Be in the monkey car?
Yeah.
I'm all aboard.
All aboard!
All aboard.
Ah, circus train. We missed you. Storybook Land. So that's where Bricky is going to be having to sit. And Alex, I think you're going to have to sit there too.
Okay. This kid does not go in cages. I'm free range, Bricky.
Oh, you're free range. Got it.
Free range.
Check out Storybook Canal right now. It's magical. Oh, yes. Let's roll. Woohoo! I always try to recreate that and I never can. Coming down the track with the smoky stack. Hey, there's another Casey train.
Every time it's fun, a little whistle sound. Everybody goes to the circus ground.
That's the view. So beautiful.
That's the Casey Jr.'s night.
Go, Casey. That looks familiar.
Now, as they say to the animals, that's the end of the
Lion. Charlie,
Hey!
get back in that cage.
Yeah, what cage was I in? Wild animal!
Wild, Charlie.
Wild animal!
Wild Pixar's.
The views from that attraction, it's so beautiful seeing Fantasyland like that.
It's very, it's textbook Disneyland right there.
It is. I would say the only problem with the cage is the speaker is right next to you. And
Oh,
it's
yeah.
so loud.
Yeah, I feel you there.
But it's beautiful. The views are just gorgeous.
Yeah.
Like, I love it. What about Winnie the Pooh?
We could do that, make our way across and go ride
See
Winnie.
some heffalumps and woozles?
I would love that.
What time is it getting to be? It's only 7:30.
Oh,
All right, we got time.
Plenty of time.
Let's go to Critter Country.
Let's go create a country.
All right. Hey, look, it's Mellow over here. The old trail, the Big Thunder Trail. Gotta watch out for coyotes,
Coyotes,
wildcats.
rattlesnakes.
Yeah.
Oh, no, that's my work. Never
Charlie,
mind.
you just dealt with a rattlesnake recently. You sent me a picture that was a baby. Those are the ones you got to be careful of because they will exhaust all their venom.
Yep.
Not knowing. Yeah.
One bite, and they just let it all go.
Yeah.
Yeah, we that big rattlesnake we saw at work, we thought it was on its way out, but apparently that was the mama.
Oh boy.
Because it was so big and everything. And
oh geez.
they don't lay eggs. They give live birth.
Oh man, that's crazy.
We probably got a lot of them around there now.
I think we're going into.
I think we're going into a galaxy far,
going
far
off,
away.
Going off planet. Believe it or not, it's a shortcut. There's
make a left.
Well, there's a wormhole in the galaxy. That way, a little easier to get to Critter Country that way.
Yep, exactly. You go about 2, make a left, go through the wormhole.
Exactly.
You're there, man.
Done.
You're in bear country.
Oh, black spires, illuminated. It's a beautiful sight. Batu West. We are back. Making our way to Critter Country. Almost there. The sound design on Batu West seems a little different. Like there's a lot of critters in this. Hear that? In the woods over here? I mean, it's crazy. It sounds like there's like giant banthas walking around in there. Whoozits and whatnots and heffalumps and woozles and heffalumps, woozles and whatnots. That's what I was trying to say. Listen to that. Dang. It's even like footsteps. Something big is walking around over there. Wow. Mark Twain. I love seeing that at night. That is amazing. All right, the many adventures of Winnie the Pooh. We have arrived in Critter Country. This shouldn't be too much of a wait. What are they saying right now? 5 minutes it says, and it's about 10 to 8, so we could get some stuff done. All right, we got a hive.
Look, Mama, look! I want time they roll. Help! Please!
We'll save you, Piglet!
Hold on, Rabbit. I love the pink tiger. It's the best. What's up, guys?
What a wonderful dream.
Happy birthday,
Oh, hey, Mansion, what's up? Good to see you. It's been so long. Look at those candles. 90-minute wait right now, so that is not happening. It's so good to see the old Haunted Mansion. Jack has wrecked the halls. Even though it was cool to get the OG mansion in Walt Disney World, this is still such an impressive overlay. I've grown to love it. I used to be a hater. I will admit that. Oh, the Mark Twain two-step. Here it is. This is how you know Katie's back.
Wait, what? I can't do the backwards one.
She's joining you. There you go. They know it. See? You guys know the dance.
Wait, two-step.
There it is. It's infectious.
We've begun.
It's all over New Orleans Square.
Woo! It's all around.
All the kids know.
Thank you, ladies. Pirates.
Pirates is only. Where's the line? It's not 35 minutes. There's no way. Let's jump in. Charlie, you timing it?
Right? Oh, you can't read it on there, can you?
But trust me, it's going.
It's going. We're at 15 seconds.
15 seconds. I think we're gonna be less than 35. I honestly do.
I feel like it'll be less too. I'm relatively sure.
I think the time hasn't updated yet because all the ropes were out there. So
yeah.
I think people are starting to line up for fireworks. This is the fireworks free-for-all, as I call it.
That's true. That's true.
This is the best time to get on attractions when it's crowded. And I've heard, Ricky informed us that it has been very crowded all times of the day, every day since he's been back. He's been back about a week before us. Right?
I think like 2 weeks.
Maybe 2 weeks, I don't know.
3 weeks, actually, almost.
Fair to say, it's been crowded. Wow, we got in here quick. Dude, that was quick. Wow, almost just about 5 minutes so far, and we're in the building.
In the building.
7:54. So yeah, less than 10 minutes, just under 8 minutes for something that said 35. So I'm stoked.
Survive to pass this way again. Properly warned ye, says I. Who knows when that evil curse will strike the greedy beholders? Strike your colors, you blue-eyed cockroaches! I will not talk!
Quit your clucking.
It's us what needs your ruddy out, not them blasted lovers. Bring up me hearties, yo ho, yo ho, yo ho, the far inside the leaf.
Yeah, look at this line now that it's fireworks time. Look at this, it's a walk-on. That is awesome. It is. Yeah, there always has. There's always been a camp down there. Katie's noticing stuff she's never seen before.
What?
That's one of the spots that I've chosen to possibly live at Disneyland right there.
I haven't.
Yeah, little pup tent back there.
A what?
It's a pup tent.
The heck does that mean? Did you just make that up?
Oh my goodness.
Oh, here we go.
You didn't make that up?
Charlie, we're teaching Katie some stuff.
No, are you guys messing with me?
No, that's what they're called.
Pup tent.
Pup tent.
Ricky's heard of a pup tent.
That's where you put your pups.
Yeah, that's what I'm like. What? I've never even heard of this.
Pup tent.
I think it started in the military, honestly. I think there were pup tents back in the military.
I honestly feel like I'm being messed with right now.
You're not. I'm telling you right now.
It was on F Troop.
Hey Siri, what's a pup tent?
Now she's asking Siri. Don't bring Siri into this.
Yeah, what's she?
Shelter half. A partial tent. Oh my god, it looks just like that.
See?
Dang.
How you feel now?
I feel
learned?
I feel like I've grown my brain a little bit today.
There you go.
Wow, look at that.
You were banished to the pup tent. Go. Just go.
See you, bye-bye.
I ain't coming back. What are you gonna eat for dinner?
She makes a good point.
Chili dog. We gotta get chili dogs someplace.
All right. Charlie said we're getting chili dogs, Katie. So
That's what you want.
Halloween Screams fireworks are about to happen.
Right there.
Oh, there's Zero.
You see the nose through the tree.
Oh, look, you can see the top of Matterhorn.
There's Zero.
There's Zero.
There he is, pumpkin nose.
Looks like the Matterhorn's on fire. I'm gonna post
That
a
is so
TikTok.
wild from this angle.
This is how little bark.
There he is.
This is... Happy Halloween! This was,
right?
you know, in all my years of like hanging out at the park late, and living here, I don't know why I never sat over here and watched it.
It's a good spot.
I liked with the mountains, the fireworks behind the mountains.
Yeah.
Time to dance, everybody. Ready?
What?
Ready?
No.
Here we go.
Oh no. Look at Charlie.
Hi, Zero!
Zero, you just landed. You're back.
Hi, Zero! Aren't you cute? Ready, Charlie?
Yeah.
Look at that little pumpkin dance.
It's
like the Austin Powers thing.
Look at Charlie. He's just like, oh my god.
Did it look real for a second?
No, but it's okay. Matter Tree is all lit up.
The tree one is a glow.
Now we're seeing the Aurora Borealis.
Aurora Borealis? That's what he meant to say.
That's what I said.
Dude, I've never noticed that. Look at the Matter Tree getting all sorts of love right now.
I know, it looks rad.
Treehorn Matter Tree.
The world of color, the world of tree colors.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Post Fireworks Mashup.
Mayhem.
Yeah, hey! Everybody's scurrying to get to their attractions that they've been waiting for all night. Everybody was jammed into the Main Street area and Small World, and everybody's in Fantasyland now. All right, we're doing Autopia now. Really, it's Autopia, and it's 5 minutes. So we're gonna go. We're gonna ride the lawnmowers. I mean, 5 minutes, you can't beat that. Come on, that's like, how could you not go on? Do not bump the car in front of you. There we go! Autopia.
I think we do this when the monorail's working. Hey, Bird.
Hey, Bird.
We're gonna take a relaxing ride around the park.
We are. Even though my knees are jammed into the front of this thing. Charlie didn't ride because of that reason. It's hard for grown men as ourselves. Oh, red, blue, red, blue. I wonder if Ricky's behind us.
Check. Yeah, he is.
There he is. Ricky's on our tail.
Oh. Ah! Whoa. What's happening over there?
Keep your eyes on the road.
When can we do this again? I wish a monorail came through. Whoa.
Yeah, it is very low. You can almost reach it.
I want to do a challenge where you can do this without bumping it. You bump it once.
It's really hard to not bump the inner rail.
I'm doing it so far.
Steering is pretty weird.
I think I could do it. I really think I could.
Here's the true test right in here.
Ready? I haven't bumped it yet. I haven't bumped it yet.
This is what most stresses me out, is trying to line it up perfectly. I always feel like...
Oh, I do it perfectly.
All right, here's the lineup. See if you can do it. Boom! Oh, nice.
You guys are great. Slow down!
You're not racing yet. All right, we're headed towards Matterhorn. It says 10 minutes. Almost hard to believe. Probably less than that. I bet you it's walk right on. Harold, we're coming for you, buddy.
Look at this person.
Yes, it does. You're almost there.
I mean, almost.
Oh, it was you.
It was me who made this originally. I so close. We got the nails on fleek.
Like a glove. Oh, we missed the Matterhorn. Oh, yeah. Did you bring a lederhosen, Katie?
Francis in Matterhorn.
Ah, yes.
Now we all have that one wish of something they would bring back.
Yeah.
The Christmas star on top of Matterhorn.
Oh, my gosh.
When I
That's a good point.
I would love that. Just put what does that cost? What's the budget on putting a star on
They
top?
probably still have it.
It's gotta be somewhere.
Yeah, yeah.
Walt Disney Archives, I'm talking to you. Give us back the star.
Bring back the star. Even if they brought back the climbers, like Mickey climbing the Matterhorn. Dude.
To climb this is one thing. To do it
in a Mickey suit.
As Mickey. Wow. Wow, that's gnarly.
Skills. So much faster at night. Oh my gosh.
With your seatbelt fastened.
Permanecer
sentados, por favor.
It was out of focus a little bit, but hopefully there's a couple clips in there.
It's fun.
All right, 1 minute. We're getting on Peter Pan. Gotta run. Clock's about to tick. Woo, made it. Okay. We're in. One last attraction with 30 seconds to go. As the clock passes 11, we end the night with Peter Pan's flight. Here we go! Hi, Nana.
Come on, everybody. Here we go.
Big Bang Parliament. There goes Pixar, he's flying. That's a good way to end it.
Yeah, it was a fun little ride at the very end, man.
Good to see Sleeping Beauty's castle. It's a quaint castle, but she's home. Oh yes, good snow coverage on the spires of SBC. Winter's coming, holidays are coming. Love that song. Yes. Paying our respects over here at the old fire station, Walt Disney's apartment. And I think a good way to kind of close out this video, I think it's only appropriate that Katie come in and ring the bell. Katie! The train said goodbye, and the train also said that you should ring the bell.
Okay.
For good measure, since we're back. Terrible. She does this on purpose, I think, you guys.
I do not.
You have to pull, let go, as Brian used to say.
Pull.
But you're not letting go. No, you gotta let go really fast. No, you're not letting go fast enough. Oh my gosh, here. I feel like this is an old bit now, where you have to fail and then I succeed. See how I pull away on the...
Yeah, all right.
That's how you do it.
Show off.
So, we're happy to be back at Disneyland. Props, Walt Disney. I'm gonna ring it for you, Walt. All right, well, that is gonna wrap it up from Disneyland, our first day back. That was a blast. Oh my gosh.
Totally magical.
Pixar Charlie surprised us, made it so much fun.
It was nice.
So cool. It was a fun time, and we got on a bunch of stuff, even though it was super crowded.
Yeah, we managed to pull it off. I don't know how we did, but I think coming late makes it, you know?
I think so.
Yeah.
It was all around a great night.
It really was. And if you guys like this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And we'll see you next time on Best Life and Beyond.
See ya.
Bye-bye, everybody.